my friends, hello. It's rain on my hospital day. Oh, unlucky. By the way, it's before noon. I finished meeting the doctors. Yes, for my blood pressure and brain stroke. Yeah. Oh. Okay, I'm Genki and I'm happy. Yes. Just every 2 months I came to the autonomy zoo from Edo City to see a doctor. It's a day, the typhoon number 6. Wind is going close to Japan. Yeah, that's why we have so heavy rain in the morning. Especially when I came to hospital in the morning, the rain power was, yeah, so heavy. Yeah, I'm wearing rain gears, of course, but my chest get wet. Yeah. Why? I don't know, but just one thing is I'm wearing the cheapest rain gear for bike riding. Yeah, that's bad. But it's okay. Yeah. Oh. Because it's not so often we have rain in Tokyo. Yeah, Tokyo doesn't have mountain. Tokyo doesn't have big sea. Yeah, though we have a Tokyo Bay, but so Tokyo is basically flatland area. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, the typhoon number 6 was not so big. Yeah, 970 hectopascal all around, I remember. But this morning, yeah, the typhoon was, yeah, closest to Tokyo. Yeah, that's why I got wet when I get hospital on my chest. Unlucky. Now it's okay. Maybe the raining clouds have gone already, so now we have just a little bit of rain. No problem to ride on bike, go around. Yes, yeah, here is Skytree Point, but yeah, the Skytree is hidden behind the cloud. Yeah, by the way, my body condition is good. Yes. Today the doctor told me to change kinds of tablets, medicine, but mostly almost same medicine I got. Go. Yeah, as you see, so I have drive recorder on this bike here, but this doesn't work right now because of the rain. Yeah, I said that mostly cheapest drive recorder on my bike, yeah, almost 4 years, 5 years ago. Go. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm thinking that yeah, if I should buy a new one or not. But setting up these items on the scooter is, yeah, not difficult, but yeah, it's a waste of time because I have to put a whole cover like this off to set on something on my bike. So this is a scooter. Yeah, and one more I'm thinking is that next, yeah, cheapest one again, or a little bit expensive one, made in Japan. Yeah, it's a big problem. The rain in the morning was so heavy, so maybe that's why, yeah, everyone had a day off today, and not crowd on the way to get back home. I'm not home today, so I'm gonna go to my office. I have to work, unfortunately. Yeah, very sleepy. Yeah, I have to be careful, especially zebra or and it became windy. I came back to Edward City. Whoa, just so windy. Yeah, even it's the bad condition like today, yeah, I like riding on a bike, especially the scooter. Yes. Okay. Whoa. Here's Hirai area in Netherlands City. Yeah, I'm working area. Yeah, the rain had almost finished. finally I came back. Oh, typhoon wind attacked me. Okay, yeah, before I said, yeah, the windy, just a little bit hard to ride on the big bridge, Arakawa River. Okay, yeah, I get back my office. Alright, so should I say thank you very much and goodbye to my friends right now. Alright, see you again. Bye bye.